How to set up a second Google My Business profile. Easy. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at how you can set up your second Google My Business profile. So let's get into it. Now, Google My Business is a simple platform where you can list your business and it shows up on Google Maps. And this enables your customers or clientele to easily find you and see, your directions, your website, your booking, appointments, phone number, basic information, and it is absolutely free. So nowadays, it's almost essential to have a business profile on Google. So to have a business listing, you could say, on Google My Business. I set up my business on Google over here. So this is just a sample business. So I have set up a business on my Gmail account. And you might wonder, hey, I have opened up a second location, but I don't understand how to create a second listing. Google does not seem to permit that. So don't worry, it's actually absolutely easy and simple and official or legal, you could say, to set up your second listing. There are some terms and conditions for this, and I even have a little hack for people that are providing services in a larger area that you cannot, list as a business. So let's say you are someone that does nails, or let's say you're an electrician and you have one physical location, but if a client requests any emergency service or any kind of service, you are willing to travel to longer distances to provide that service. However, you can't exactly list that on Google My Business, so I do have a hack for that and how you can optimize your business for that as well. However, to create a simple second listing, all you have to do is go onto Google My Business, and you can see this is my business profile over here. And all you have to do is click on these three dots on the right side of your screen. Over here, this will open up a drop-down menu, and from here, you can simply click on Add a New Business Profile. And using the same email address that you created your previous profile with, you can go on ahead and add your business to Google. You can click on Add Your Business to Google, and I can begin adding my business name. And I'm just going to create a business with that category, with that name, and then I'm going to click on Next. Now we want to add a physical location, and so on. You're going to set up the overall business address. Now, once you have entered your address, you're just going to mark your location as you would whenever you are setting up your profile, and then you will click on Next over here. And then after that, you're going to add if you provide deliveries and or home and office visits. So you can say yes if you do provide it. And then you can click on Next over here. And then you can add the specific areas that you serve. So let's say I want to add a few areas. And then you're going to click on Next over here. Then you will enter your information and your website URL. Once you have done that, you're just going to choose how to verify. And once you verify, this will be actually a mail sent to you on your physical location. So make sure whenever you are creating a second business profile that it is a physical location that is present, and you can go on ahead and customize this, add your services, add your business hours, so on and so forth. So we're just going to add a few of our business hours. And you need to make sure that this is a verifiable location. So Google will be able to, make sure that you are actually located in that specific area. And once you have done that, you can see, now if I click on Google My Business, I have two businesses. And to manage both businesses, all I have to do is click on these three dots over here, click on Your Business Profiles, and now I can select the specific business that I want to manage on my account. So you don't need to create multiple emails to create multiple listings for different businesses that you might be running. This also simplifies the messaging process. So if you have enabled messaging on your Google Business setup, it will help you in simplifying that process as well. And overall, it just simplifies the experience of running multiple businesses at once. Now, at the start of this video, I talked to you guys about providing services for a long area, but you can't get your business listed in multiple different locations if it is not present in those locations. So how do you do that? Well, for that, what I recommend is to create a business page. Because what the top search results are after the My Business locations are often website results. So you can't get it on Google My Business. However, you can, if you scroll down, see the overall top search results. And there are a large number of people that visit these search results. So if you want to optimize for multiple locations, I would recommend that you create a locations page on your website where you list all the specific areas or cities or locations that you provide your services in and all these specific services. So list out each individual service for the location that you are going to provide. Maybe let's say if I have like a food delivery business, then maybe the areas near me I provide frozen desserts, but areas that are far more, have a longer commute, maybe I do provide the delivery service there, but I don't do it for frozen foods. So in this way, you can customize those location services and get them on the top search results. And you can easily use a keyword research tool to find the specific keywords that people in a specific geographical area search for and optimize your location pages for those keywords. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to follow along with these methods and techniques that I showed in this video. And if you found them helpful, make sure to share them with someone you might think that may need these. Share them with your friends, with your family, with your cousins, and share them with any business partners that you might have. And it might help you guys a lot to know all of these techniques and to follow along. And if you enjoyed this video, I would recommend that you please leave a like. And if you have any questions regarding this video, regarding any other video, or regarding any social platform, then you can definitely ask me in the comments down below. And I will try to answer as soon as possible because that is the point of our YouTube channel. I want to show you guys on how to glide through these platforms and how to easily navigate and fulfill the purposes that you want to do with these social platforms. And if you have any details that you might want to know, any suggestions, any improvements that you think that I could add on to these videos, then please do leave them in the comment box down below and I will make future videos according to those. And if you have any specific topics that you look forward to, also leave those in the comment box down below and I will try to make videos on those as well. And make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out other videos. And if you feel like some other video might be helpful to someone else, make sure to share our videos with your friends and family as well. And if you find that there is something missing, I will try to figure out a way to integrate more accurate content according to your needs onto the channel. So make sure to tell me if you find anything missing. So that was it for today. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe